Hello friends, welcome to the Warrior series of ABM. As you know, in Warrior series we are covering case studies and MCQs. Case studies related to numericals as well as theory. So today we will be covering case studies related to numericals. 3 to 4 case studies I will be covering as the time permits, and all are important ones. Two of them are from chapter number 3, Central Tendencies, and one is from Correlation and Regression. All are important. Okay? So don't miss, watch the complete video, share it with your friends, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Do it fast. Okay? Let's start. Find the arithmetic mean for the following. X is given and F is given. Now firstly you tell me, all of you, I'll ask you the questions now. Firstly write in the comment section whether this is a group data or ungrouped data. First you write this, is it a group data or ungrouped data? Is it a group data or ungrouped data? Now see here, I've written it over here grouped, but how is it grouped? Why? Why is it grouped? The reason is, see, group data is because whenever you have X and F both, X and frequency both. Now this X can be in form of class also, it can be in form of class mark also. See, now see this X can be in form of class. Class means what? 10 to 20, 20 to 30 like this, or class mark, class mark. Now what does that mean? This means that 1, 2 like this one. So if you have X and F frequency also, then this together is called as group data, grouped. If you have only X, single X, no F, then it's called as ungrouped data. So this is the group data. Okay? Now this group data, you have to find out the frequency. Now the answer is given over here. But many of you will not understand what is this direct. Let's solve this. Okay? Let's solve this. What you do? First, you will have to multiply this X and F. See, the formula is simple. Summation Fx upon n. So let's solve one by one. What is n? Simple. Let's do the simple things first. N means what? Total of frequency. Add all the frequencies. 5 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Add them. If you go on adding them, you will get the answer as 43. The answer is 43. Kindly note, summation of frequency is always n. Summation of frequency is always n. So, if you add all these, you will get it as 43. So, simple thing done. Now, fx, summation fx. So, first multiply this. 1 into 5, 5. 6 into 2, 12. 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 10, 40. So on. Do it till the end. 8 into 2, 16. Now, this fx which you have got it, f into x. Add them. So, 5 plus 12 plus 15 plus 40 plus 40 plus 24 plus 21 plus 16. Add them. You will get the answer as 173. You will get the answer as 173. Check this. Everyone check this. Do it. Do it in the comment section. Are you getting the answer as 173 for the numerator and 43 for the denominator? You must get both the answers. fx1 plus fx2 plus fx3 plus blah 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 blah. Similarly, f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus blah 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 blah. Add them. 173 upon 43. So you'll get the answer now. Then it's easy. If this numerical comes in exam, it's very easy for you. Why? Because direct class mark is given. Now next question which I will take is related to class. So that is difficult. See this. This is the same one. Yeah. This one. Find the arithmetic mean for the following data. Now look at this. Again, is it a grouped or ungrouped? Grouped. Group data. Why group data? Because this group data, because it is f and x, both are given. But here, x is given in form of class, not in form of class mark. So now what you'll have to do is, you'll have to find the class mark. You'll have to find the class mark. See, f and x, you have to do, basic logic is a summation fx, you have to do it. F into x. But where is x? Can you multiply 12 into 30, 40? You can multiply it. So find out the class mark. How will you find this? Class mark is always the center. Okay, look at this. Class interval and frequency is given 20 to 30. Class mark is the center. Center is 25. Check this. Everyone, all the top, all of them. So class mark is 25. Here class mark is 35. Here class mark is 45. 55, 65, 75, 85. Class mark. All the class marks done. Write it yourself. Take pen, paper and calc in your hands. You have to write this. Okay? Pen, paper, calc in your hands. You have to write it. Everyone is writing this. Type in the comment section. Everyone is trying this yourself. You must try this. Okay? So 25, 35, 45, 55 done all. Now it's simple. Do the fx again. This is x, this is f. 25 into 5, 125. 12 into 35, 420. 45 into 10, 450. Do it all. Do it for all. Everyone, try it. Let me see how many of you are getting it in the comment section. Are you getting the answers? 125, 420, 450, 770, 625, 600, 340. Are you getting it? Now add it. If you got the answer, add it. Comment section, everyone, let me see in the comment section. If you got it, add it. So 125 plus 420 plus 450 plus 770 plus 625 plus 600 plus 340. All the additions over here. All of them additions. Do it. Now it's simple. This total comes out to be 3330. Are you getting it? The total comes out to be 3330. Are you getting the same? Everyone, check it and type in the comment section. Are you getting it? Yes or no? Type Y or N. Yes or no? See, in the exam, you have to give the paper, not me. Okay? I've already cleared all these exams. So, you have to give the paper, so try it yourself. 3330 upon 58. Are you getting this 58 also? Addition of these. Okay? Addition of what? Addition of F. Okay, this total is 58. 5 plus 12 plus 10 plus 14 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4. 58. Okay? So divide it. You'll get it as 57.41. 57.41. So this is your arithmetic mean. This is your arithmetic mean. Okay? Now one question still remains. I asked you, this is the group data, ungrouped data. So you gave me the answer, group data. Now which is this group? Is it an inclusive group or is it an exclusive group? This one, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Is it an inclusive group or is it an exclusive group? What do you say? What do you say? Inclusive or exclusive? See, I have explained it over here below. Inclusive always means the ends are not matching. Ends are not matching means, see this, 20 to 29, 30 to 39. See, there is a gap, 29 and 30, gap of 1. Similarly, further it will be 40 to 49, 50 to 50. But remember, the number of elements over here is also 10. Because inclusive means you will start from 20. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 10 elements are there. That's why it's called as inclusive. Second one is exclusive. Exclusive means what? The ends are matching. Look at this. 30, 30. So 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Similarly, it will be 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Like that it will be. Okay? So ends are matching. Okay? In this, what do we do? While taking the element, you will say, sir, now the elements are 11 over here. 20, 21, 22, 29, up to 29, 10 and 130. But remember, in exclusive group, one of them is not taken. What will we do? What will we do? So here, what we'll do is, we won't be taking the last one, 30. We will take it up to 29 and leave the 30. From here, you will take up to 39, leave the 40. Similarly, others. Okay? So now clear? So this is the answer of arithmetic mean. Now this is one I have taken additional. Find the median. This also comes for 1 mark. Median. Median means what? See, these numbers are given. First thing what you have to do in median is arrange them in serial order. It can be ascending, it can be descending, anything. Ascending or descending, anything. But arrange them in serial order. Once you arrange them, then find a central number. Now look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there. When the numbers are 6, then it becomes difficult. Even numbers. So if you have even numbers, you see this. You have arranged them 5, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15. Now center. Center, there is no single number. Take the average of the two numbers of the central. If they are even. And if they are odd numbers, then directly take the central number. Okay? So that is about median. This is just for an additional I have told you, because you will definitely get a question on median in exam. Okay? And they might give you odd number of elements or even number of elements. Anything they can give you. Okay? So odd, see this, odd I have given it. It's very simple. Odd is simply 3 plus 3, 6, 7 numbers are there. So take the central number 9. That is the median. Okay? Now this is related to correlation. A production manager decides to regress the total monthly wages of each of the firm's 75 workers against the total monthly production by the worker. So regress means relation. The production manager is trying to relate the salary of that person with the production which that person makes. The manager chooses total monthly production in terms of 1000 units as independent variable. So production is independent and monthly wages is dependent variable. Wages is in rupees. Now all these elements are given. See this. Summation x is given, summation y is given, summation x square is given, summation y square is given, summation xy is given, and n is given. Now what have you to do? You have to relate this. You'll have to answer the questions. This will be the case study and 5 questions will be asked. So what have you to do? Firstly, and why all this is given? X, Y, summation X, summation Y. For that you need to first understand the formula. Formula for variance, formula for covariance. Okay? Variance of X formula, kindly note, variance of X formula, Vx, is always equal to summation of X square. In fact, I have written it. Let's see. Okay? I might have solved it over here. Let me see. No. See this, variance of X formula is summation X square upon N minus X bar square. You have to understand this. Summation X square upon N. See, here it will be useful. Summation X square, you are getting it. And 75 workers. N is 75. And what is x bar? X bar means what? Total of x, see, total of x divided by n. Total of x divided by n. See, I'll give you all the elements over here. So this is variance of x. Similarly, variance of y equals to same thing. Now I won't write it. Summation of y square upon n minus y bar square. Similarly, covariance of xy. So that is also same. So this I'll write it because this is a bit different in writing. So it is summation of xy upon n minus x bar dot y bar. Y bar means multiplication. Again, it's reverse. So y bar. Okay. This is covariance formula. So understand variance of x, variance of y, and covariance. Okay. These are the formulae, and that's why these all elements are given. Now we can see it. Now x bar is what? X bar. You require x bar over here. X bar equals to summation x upon n. Y bar is summation y upon n. Okay. So now with these formulas, you will be able to solve this numerical. Now we'll solve the questions. What all questions are asked? Let's see. First one. What is the slope of the regression line? Slope, my God, slope is asked. This is a engineering problem. Science. Right? What is the slope? Firstly, what is the line? You need to understand this. Line is called as y equals to a plus bx. Okay, plus cx square is a parabolic one, but you can write the line like this. See this, I'll write it over here. Y, if it's a straight line, it's always a single degree equation. A plus bx. Okay, b is called as the slope. B, slope. B is called as the slope. Now, what is the formula for slope? For finding the formula for slope, you'll have to first find out covariance. Because slope you get it from covariance. See, what is the formula for B? B equals to covariance of xy divided by variance of x. This is the formula for B. For this, you need to get the covariance first. How to get a covariance? That is given earlier. Look at this. Covariance equals to summation xy upon n minus x bar dot y bar. Get the values. 974. I'll write it over here. See this. 97. What is that? 4652. 4652 divided by 75 minus x bar and y bar. 7312 upon 75. So get the answers, everyone. Get the answer for this. Get the answer for this, y bar also, everyone. I'll also try. You get the answers fast. Fast, speed up. So, summation x is 7312 upon 7312, remove the points, 7312 upon 75. Upon 75. Ignore the points. Huh? So 97.5. I'll take round figures. 97.5. That is my x bar. Now y bar. Y bar is what? Summation y. What is it? 8805. 8805 divided by 75. So 117.4. 117.4. Now use the values. Now this summation xy upon n. 974652. 974652 divided by 75. So this I am getting is it has 12995. This answer is 12995. I am ignoring the points. Huh? Minus x bar dot y bar. X bar is 97.5 into 117. Multiply this. 97.5 into, what is this? 117. 117.4. Now do the calculations. Everyone, what is the answer for this? 97.5 into Do it everyone. 97.5 into 117.4. So 11446. 11446 point something, 0.5. Now do the calculations. Minus 12995. So 1548.5. You might get slight here and there answers because you might be taking the decimals. So 1548.5. So I'll write it over here. 1548.5. This is my covariance. Now use the figure. Covariance 1548.5 divided by variance of x. What was variance of x? Variance of x was, no, we didn't find this. So summation x square upon n minus x bar square. So now find this. So variance of x, did we find out? No. So summation x square upon n. What is summation x square? This one. Again, it's a big figure. Okay. 824070.25 divided by, what is this? 75. N. 75. Everyone is getting this. So I'm getting this as 10,987.6. 10,000, I'll write it over here. 10,987.6 minus x bar square. What is x bar square? 97.5. Do the square. 97.5 square. So 9506. 9506 point, what is that? 25. Get the answer, everyone. What is the answer for this? Minus 10987.6. 1481.35. 1481.35. This is my answer for variance of x. Got it? So now use this. Very big one. Huh? These numericals are very big. So now what is covariance? 1548.5. So 1548.5 divided by variance of x was what? This one, 1481.35. 1481.35. 1481.35. Do the division. Do it, everyone. Do the division. So 1548.5 divided by 1481.35. So I'm getting it as 1.04. So my answer is 1.04 and something more. 5. 1.045. So this is the slope of my regression line, B. This is B. B is an important term because you require A and B many times. So this 1045, 1046 I have got it. It's okay. Got it, everyone? First one. Now next one. What is the intercept of the regression line? Now what do you mean by intercept? It means A, finding A. So what you have, y equals to A plus bx. Okay. Now for that what you do y bar, put y bar and x bar. So y bar equals to A plus bx bar. Put y bar and x bar. Now you have all the values. Now it's simple. What is y bar? Y bar, y bar, y bar, yeah. Here we got it? Yeah. 117.4. 117.4. So 117.4 equals to A plus B is what? 1.045? 45 into x bar. X bar is what? X bar, you got it over here somewhere, no? 97.5. Right? 97.5. 97.5. Now do the calculations, you will get A, intercept. So what is the answer now? 1.045, right, into 97.5. So it is 101.88. This answer I am getting it as 101.88. And this is A. And this is 117.4. So now find out A. So A means minus 117.4. So 15.51. So A I am getting it as 15.51. So this is my intercept. You always require A and B. Both are to be found out. Okay, and these numericals are very important. You'll get the same numerical in the exam. Definitely you'll get it. I think so. Same? Yeah. Compute the equation of the regression line. Now the equation is simple. Once you got A and B, equation is nothing. 15.415 plus A is 15.415, B is 1.046 into X. This answer. 15.415 plus 1.046 into X. This is the equation of the regression line. Got it? Big numericals, isn't it? So now, before going, everyone, kindly join the new batch of Adda 24/7. PYQ batch is just starting. PYQ batch, previous year questions. PYQ batch you must immediately join for all the subjects. See, all the subjects are covered. Kindly note. Okay? Case studies, PYQs, MCQs, all of them are covered. You'll get mock test, you'll get ebooks. But for that, remember, to get the highest discount, you need to do two things. First, download the app. By downloading the app, you get 1% discount. First, directly you get 1% discount. And second thing you have to use is, use the code Y432. This code Y432 will give you maximum discount. Maximum means how much? See this Y432 is giving you 79% discount. 79 plus 1% extra through the app, 80%. All the numericals are covered, objective questions are covered, important theory parts are covered. It's a LMR, last minute revision. Do it fast, okay? Bye.